Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be very simple. You're going to see how to install Ansible. So straight from your terminal, you can just type sudo apt -y install Ansible. As simple as that. And you have Ansible installed. I already have it installed, so there's no installation procedure to follow. So we can just verify Ansible-version. So I have my Ansible installed, and most importantly, we also have Ansible collection installed. So we can check our Ansible collection by running the command Ansible galaxy collection list. So this is a traditional way of checking all the um, collections that we have installed over here. And if we also want to install a new collection as time goes on, we will look at it. But for the meantime, we will use the default collection. So basically, this is how to get Ansible going. And then you install Ansible and you check if the collection is available. So whatever environment, or let's say vendor you're going to automate, either Cisco, either Juniper, or whatever, you just have to make sure that the collection is installed. So for example, I'll check to see if Juniper is installed. I have Juniper model over here, collection over here. Where did I see it? Should be somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this is Juniper. And as well as I have Cisco iOS SR, iOS XE, and Meraki, and all of them over here. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.